Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following countries. 1. India. 2. China. 3. Indonesia. 4. Thailand. How many of the above countries are members of the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Only 3, D. All 4. Answer is option B. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC, is a regional organization that was established on 6 June 1997 with the signing of the Bangkok Declaration. Initially known as BISTC, Bangladesh India Sri Lanka Thailand Economic Cooperation, the organization is now known as BIMSTEC and comprises 7 member states with the admission of Myanmar on 22 December 1997 and Bhutan and Nepal in February 2004. Consider the following statements regarding Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS. 1. GBS is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks the peripheral nerves. 2. It is a highly contagious neurological disorder and spreads through respiratory droplets like a flu. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. GBS is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system attacks the peripheral nerves, disrupting nerve signals. It is often triggered by a preceding infection, such as a respiratory or gastrointestinal illness. Statement 2 is incorrect. It is not contagious as it's an autoimmune disorder. Guillain-Barré syndrome is a rare autoimmune condition in which the immune system attacks the peripheral nerves. It leads to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness that can progress to paralysis. Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS, can occur at any age, but it most commonly affects people between 30 and 50. Thank you.